Hey everyone! In this video, we'll show how to create and configure an MCP server in Engini. From the dashboard, open the Connections section from the left sidebar. Inside Connections, you can manage integrations, keys, on-prem agents, MCP servers, and MCP clients. Now, select MCP servers to view the servers available in your workspace. Here, you can see an existing MCP server, including its name, connected integrations, creation details, update details, and status. From the Options menu, you can edit, deactivate, or delete an existing MCP server. To create a new one, click New MCP at the top right of the page. The Add MCP Server panel opens on the right side of the screen. Here, you can set the server name, copy the generated server URL, and use the help link to learn how to connect a client. Next, click Add Integration and select the integration you want to connect. In this example, we select Engini Priority Staging. Then, choose the specific integration tools you want to expose through this MCP server. Once the tools are selected, click Apply. Now, click Add Workflow and choose the workflow you want to connect. In this example, we select MCP Yaniv. After the integration and workflow are added, click Save to complete the setup. That's it. The MCP server is now configured and ready to be used with an MCP client.